Hi everyone, I'm Lindsay O'Brien from Bay Realty, Michigan, and we're at our newest listing at 1406 Wilson. We're going to take you through a video walkthrough. Let's take a look. When you walk through the front door, you'll find yourself in the living room that also leads into the dining room area. And the dining room is very spacious. You can fit a very large table in here. This door leads to the upstairs, but first follow me into the kitchen. The kitchen is very spacious. You'll love cooking meals for your family here. And off of the kitchen is the first floor bathroom and laundry room. Off the dining room, there is a bedroom on the main level. And follow me upstairs to see the remaining 3 bedrooms and 1 full bath. Upstairs here is the primary bedroom, and next door is the second room. And this is the 4th bedroom on the 2nd level, and follow me into the very spacious bathroom. And off the dining room is a deck area which leads out to the very spacious backyard. Completely fenced in too. Thank you for joining me on the tour of 1406 Wilson Street. Put this on your Christmas wish list.